So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. Got Mike and Melissa here. We're going for a little hike out in the woods. That was some wind we had yesterday, wasn't it?
Very, very, very windy.
It was a week ago yesterday. We had a bunch of wind and the power went out for about a day.
Branches down everywhere.
Now this time it's still out. It's been a little over 24 hours. And there's trees down everywhere on the roads, on the power lines.
Yeah.
So we're just going to take a little hike here. See if there's much down. Oh yeah, there's a little one there out in the woods.
And our boss Archie, he's looking out the window actually.
I know, he's ticked.
He was really bothered he didn't come.
Normally, the trees out in the woods are a little bit more protected than the ones along the roadways. They kind of protect each other. See, this is a dead maple right here.
Yeah, and I'm not going to bother.
Yeah, I'll get that one.
Okay.
Bring the saw out. But yeah, that wind was the real deal.
It really was. I actually said, do you think it's a tornado? Because it was so loud and so windy.
In the pavilion, we didn't have any damage. I've got some trees down by the wood yard. Nothing got hit though. There's a little dead oak right there.
Well, we'll
so far, so good though.
Okay, it's nice and sunny, but it's cold. What do you think? Is it even 50?
No, it's in the low 40s, but we're out here by the little clearing project, and
so you see,
I see at least 4 trees right now, and we got to get over there by the mini cabin because I see a big mess over there.
I do. Come on, look, this tree here's split.
Oh yeah. Holy cow. Yeah, look at that. The stress of that wind.
I'll point it out.
Split this cherry tree up bad.
Wow.
That was not like that. Got a maple that uprooted over there.
Yeah.
Another top busted out of that one up there.
Yep.
There's another tree. See that one over there?
One. And then the top out of that one.
Now this carnage that you see right here, this is where my little clearing project is. Oh boy, there's a lot of stuff down.
Oh, Archie would be really stressed.
That one's broken. 2 places right there.
Oh, this was not like this. Look at the top here.
Yeah, that came off of this maple right there.
I see, yeah.
Wow. Oh man, down here by the mini cabin. I think the mini cabin's all right though.
And that one there?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, Mike, look at the root.
Oh yeah, the whole root.
Oh my goodness. And I think that's close.
I think we're going to be farming here soon because all our trees are going to be gone. We'll sell all the firewood.
Wow.
And we'll start farming. I think the mini cabin survived. I see one limb, I think, on it. We'll get over there and check it out.
Okay.
Yeah, this top, that top.
Wow. Look at that. Why'd it do that?
Oh, man.
Here's some of the pine. Remember the little pines that Levi planted?
Oh, yeah. Little white pines. We're going to need them because all the other ones are getting wiped out.
There's another one.
Oh, man.
Right here's another one.
Yep.
Wow, that's crazy. There's like 3 trees.
There's more down there. The door's open on the mini cabin. It's a big maple right here.
Look how it fell through there, Mike.
Oh, yeah. It got wedged through there. That cherry right there is busted out.
Yeah.
Man, what a mess.
I wonder who put something in here.
That's from an old tree stand.
Oh, it is?
Not from my doing, but before that.
Oh.
Look at the size of the root ball on that.
Can we climb over it right here?
Yeah, I think it's safe.
Look at the twisted one.
Yeah, I think it's safe. Let's walk over there.
Okay.
So yeah, this one here That's that maple. Everywhere you look.
Wow.
That cherry right there, tops broke out of it. Down here I got 2 or 3 more that are uprooted or broken off. Somehow the mini cabin survived all this. That's some quality construction right there, Melissa.
I think
The door's open. That's the only thing it's I see wrong with it so far. But look at this cherry right here. This one here is, that's all that's holding it up there. It's hung up in that cherry.
so. Yeah. Wow, this will be a parking lot.
Oh man. Melissa's dad stopped and saw Levi a little bit ago, and he said in his 80 years, that was the strongest he's ever seen the wind blow.
Yeah. And here in Southwest PA.
Yeah.
He said the wind blows really like that out in Montana, but here in Southwest PA, we don't get that kind of wind. In fact, I have a friend that moved here from Louisiana, and last weekend there was the wind and fire outage, and this weekend she texted me and she said, Melissa, is this a regular occurrence? I said, no, this is very out of the ordinary.
Yeah, the last time I saw anything like this, and it was actually way worse, but it was more isolated, was the tornadoes in 1985. We had a real big one pretty close to here. It passed about a half mile. But if you weren't in the path of that tornado, there was a little bit of wind damage, but nothing like this.
This is crazy.
Yeah, that one in 85, I was out of high school for 1 year, and I will never forget that. I saw that tornado. It was probably about a mile from me, and I didn't know at the time, but it was actually headed right to where I was parked on the road, because it looked like it wasn't moving. So I kind of continued on, and sure enough, that's right where it crossed.
Well, because it's a path like this, Mike, would it be considered some sort of,
I don't know if this was
tornado, but
just,
what is that? Bursts, they call them?
yeah, the straight line winds or what, but it was so windy everywhere. But man, can you imagine being out here in the woods when all this was going down yesterday?
No.
There's another one down over there.
Yeah.
Seems like up here on this flat, and if you notice, everything is laying this direction, Melissa.
Yeah, and everything's uprooted.
It's like it came from
Or it broke off.
the winds came from the south.
Yep.
Which I thought everything was coming from the due west. I don't know.
This is broke off.
Another maple tree busted up. What a mess.
Wow. Yeah, part of that.
Yeah, the tops broke out of that one.
Wow.
I don't know, Melissa, the more I look at this, we may be calling this the Morgan pasture here shortly. I got to get down to West Virginia.
Yeah, let's check that out.
The next day or two, once our power comes back on. I got to see what happened down there, because I know they had the winds as well.
Well, I'll stay home and you can go.
There is, hard to believe I just bought 2 log truck loads of firewood poles, and we got that much probably laying on the ground out here.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, you know, Melissa, the good news is you're still struggling with that one shoelace, aren't you? It's one of those shoes that always comes untied. But the good news is nothing at the house got damaged.
No.
Nothing down at the wood yard.
No.
And it is what it is. You saw those people that lost their homes to those tornadoes and stuff.
Heavens, yeah.
This is really nothing, but
yeah, and homes and family members. I saw an interview. Yeah, we're thankful that everything's safe here. Do you want to walk out that other trail?
yeah, I'm kind of afraid to, but
See more.
I know.
I think we might on that end.
Yeah.
Let's go check it out.
So if you saw that last video, I just mentioned we got a couple log truck loads of firewood poles, and I said we probably have got 2, maybe 3 years worth of wood for what we sell and what we use. After looking at just this one little piece right here, I don't know, we got probably 4 or 5 years worth of wood.
We'll be good.
I would have rather have bought wood though than see this happen, but
yeah, it's a straight path.
Yeah, I don't know, like straight line winds, microburst. It was windy everywhere, but it just seems like it came from behind us because all the trees, everything's laying
Upward, right.
this direction. All the limbs that were broken off and the tops, everything's going that way. So I think if it was like a small tornado or something, they'd be everywhere, wouldn't they? Where, I don't know. But yeah, everything's heading that direction.
Well, what do I know?
Let's head out the trail towards the brick house.
Okay.
I don't think down in the valleys will be too bad.
Okay.
Because it's a little more protected. But up here on the flat is, man, what a mess.
Down by Maple Grove, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mini cabin still standing.
Yeah.
Now that one big cherry there on the other side of it is a little sketchy. Like I said, it's hung up there.
Yeah.
That one would smash it.
Yeah, it would.
Boy, we got some work to do out here. That's a big cherry tree right there, too. Man. All right, so here's another maple. Top broke out of it. But to give you some idea where we're at, if we continue this direction here, that'll take us down towards the brick house. Over there is where the mini cabin is. That seems where the most of the carnage is. Over on that knoll, up on that flat. And then our house is just over there about 1,000 feet or something. Yeah, we'll keep heading out this way. Hopefully we won't find anything worse than what we already did.
No.
There's another maple across the trail down here.
Yep.
Huh. I was telling Melissa yesterday when we had all that wind, it was crazy. And then it just quit like that. And then we did have some storms later on.
Yeah.
But like as soon as it quits, you could hear the birds chirping and everything. I'm like, where did they go during
sunshine? And then we're like connecting everything to generators because we lost power.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one broke off.
Yeah,
you can see across there. I don't know if you can see the top of that other tree.
Yeah.
You can see that fresh white is.
Yep.
In the video, you might not be able to see it very well.
It's like that wind came whipping up that valley. As soon as it crested the hill there, it just took everything out.
I'm surprised this thing made it.
Yeah, and this thing lived. Well, it survived. It's been dead for years. Man, how would you like to have been sitting in that mini cabin during all that?
Oh, my.
Whew. All right, we'll go out here a little further. Yeah, there's another maple busted off there. This all isn't too bad. This is kind of typical, you know, when you have a windstorm. You always find a few trees down here and there, but I see one down up here too. About 75 yards up ahead, I see a.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm genuinely concerned about the condition of the West Virginia property.
Yeah.
But who knows? Maybe they didn't get it as bad there.
This here?
Yeah.
That one broke off.
But you see what I'm saying? Even way over here, everything is headed the other direction, you know?
Yeah, right.
There's another cherry. Took a little maple with it. Yeah, all the way over there. Just off the top of my head, I mean, we've seen 50, 75 trees so far that are either completely uprooted or broke off, yeah. I can't believe Levi and Kate didn't have any of those big spruces come down by their house. But like I said, it seems the worst of it is everything up on the ridges. Yeah. Which is what you'd kind of expect, I guess. Couple more busted off. So the brick house, it sits down there in the bottom. Just looking down there in the woods, I see a few more maples. Oh yeah, I can see down there at Maple Grove. See that real big one that's uprooted down there?
Right. I do see it.
Yeah. Huh. Well, it looks like it's going to be dry the next couple days, so maybe tomorrow I'll bring the excavator out and at least start getting the trails opened up, you know what I mean, so we can get to some of this stuff when time allows. But
a lot of trees.
After seeing all this, I'm shocked that like the pavilion down there, equipment shed, like all that stuff did okay. Our roof, you know what I mean,
it totally missed that path.
Yeah. But anyway, that is a that's an update from the
trails,
future pasture of Outdoors with the Morgans.
Yeah.
Well, we appreciate y'all being here, and expect to see some cleanup videos in the future.
Exactly.
We'll catch you on the next one.
Thanks.